Alright, what about you? Is this a wee Squire Sal40? It's the videos for Brian, but works dead on. There's the bidding on the key here, as you can see it. It's a 5-pinner. Brian hasn't been making videos because he hasn't got a video camera or a stand. I think he has a camera, but he hasn't got a stand, so he brought this up at the end. I said I'd have a wee go at it. He brought it up for me to have a go at it, so I'll have a go at it and see what the crack is with it. But no talking, because I want to leave it sure as he can pick it himself, you know. So I'm not telling you what pins are having to pick, Brian, you know, the story like. Oh, lots of tension, but it's okay because there's no tension on the core. My goodness, what are we doing here? Like, did I drop something or what? There we go. There it is. What's that, sorry? There it is. Well, I got it for you here, Brian. See what's in it. Right here. Oh, the screw is very loose. I think somebody's been at this one before. Like, don't know where he got this lock from, but somebody's been at it before, like, so. There's the core out. Oh, if I can get the clip off. I love these clips, like, so they. We can lock it up. We'll have a key, haven't we? And if I can't get the clip off in a reasonable amount of time, it'll be. Oh, our clip's been off it before, right? So let the handy clip come off too. There's a clip. We'll see here. We go here to try and pull the part for you. Big long video again for flip's sake. What way is that in there? I'll turn it that way and see what the crack is. So, see here. We'll go with all standard pins in there, will we? Yuck. We'll go with all standard pins, so then we'll go. I don't know why this focusing or not here, is it? And we'll go with a standard spool, standard. They are slim, that's your lad. These spools, 2 standards, handy enough. Busy by, see you there.